Alrighty, at this point, you should be already have added these 3 new vocab terms to your vocab notebook. But if you haven't, go ahead and take some time to enter landform. Make sure you say the word out loud so you know how to pronounce it. That goes in the upper left-hand corner. Your definition goes in the upper right-hand corner. The definition of a landform is a feature that forms on the surface of a planet, such as a mountain, channel, or sand dune. And then what I want you to do is draw a picture underneath that definition of something that will help you remember what a landform is. Don't forget to give your examples in the bottom left-hand corner, as well as your non-examples in the bottom right-hand corner. The next term that you should have added was channel. A channel is a long, narrow groove that forms where water, lava, or other liquid flows. This will make more sense when we get on through the lesson. We're going to be looking at a specific channel that we're trying to figure out what it was formed by. The next and last term that you've had to add for today is geologic process. A geologic process is an event or series of events that causes changes in the geosphere, such as flowing water or lava. Make sure, if you haven't already, that you pause the video to add these to your table of contents. Landform should be page 4. Channel should be page 5, and geologic process should be page 6 in your scientific notebook. The next thing that you're doing is scientists are trying to figure out if Mars could have potentially have once been habitable. That means supported life. You're going to look at Google Mars to try and explain a little bit of information. So currently Mars is a dry planet with no large bodies of water, such as lakes or oceans. But scientists have found water in the form of ice at Mars' poles. However, Mars could have looked different in the past. The search for signs of past liquid water is important for understanding whether or not Mars was ever habitable. So on Earth, flowing water shapes land in particular ways, kind of as you saw in that image there for landform. It can be used as evidence that liquid water maybe once flowed on Mars if there are channels on Mars. So your job is to open the Google Mars Sim. There's a link in your Google form. If it's not working, you can literally just type in Google Mars, and it will be the first option there. And then it'll take you to this image. It's kind of similar to looking at Google Earth if you've ever played around with that. You'll see different landforms and regions up here. Your instructions will tell you to click on elevation, make an observation about how elevation looks to you right now, and then you'll click on visible. And then you're also going to be prompted to make some observations about what visible looks like. For example, I see what could be potentially a channel right here. I see several different landforms like possible craters right here. Maybe that could be a mountain, I'm not sure. But those are all observations that I'm making. Go ahead and continue on your lesson and finish up your Google form.